So, crispy chocolate almond peanut. What is this one, Mom? What is this one?
Mint.
Mint. Can I say that at the end? Mint. Minty.
It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
We have today. Rami got us some candy, and we're gonna taste them for the New Friday. So, wanna see what this one's called?
Mint.
Mint. Second,
Peanut,
Almond.
the
Milk
classic,
chocolate.
and
Crunchy. M&M bars.
Mom.
What?
When are we tasting? Mom, my head is torn apart. Just wait.
Who's ready to taste them?
Me.
Okay, which one are you gonna taste
This
first?
one. Let's try
Start with mint.
Mint.
All right, what are you trying first?
Mint.
Crispy mint.
Mmm. Yummy, Mom. It tastes like mint, Mom. Minty, Mom. Mom, it's
Super
minty.
minty.
Mommy, it's minty.
It just tastes like normal mint
With
With-
M&M chunks.
I think it tastes like minty, crispy M&M bar.
with
Both thumbs up.
It's pretty good. It tastes kind of like Hershey's with M&M. I'll give it
I
a
give it
thumbs
a
up.
thumbs up.
Second, this
So
one.
next.
peanuts.
Mmm. Good, Mom.
Tastes like a normal M&M.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Oh, let's
Yeah,
get
like a peanut.
Reese's peanut butter cup.
Mm-hmm.
They're still pretty good.
With Hershey's.
I didn't really get much
It's like
peanut.
And Mom,
But it's
we have
good.
chunks.
it's like tastes first like Reese's, and then you get like peanut butter cup next.
Let's
like
put
peanut butter.
another one. Mmm. Good, yummy.
I don't taste any almonds in it.
I do.
Me,
Just milk
but
chocolate.
I feel it.
It's
I feel the
chocolate.
crunch.
It feels crunchier than the crunchy mint.
Taste another one.
Another already.
Because there's a new Friday. I want to taste that one.
Tastes like milk chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
And yummy?
Normal.
This one.
It tastes like normal chocolate.
Yum. It tastes like Hershey a little bit.
Tastes like a normal M&M, only it's crispy.
It tastes like a Kit Kat. No,
Cake.
Tastes pretty good.
Uh-huh.
I'd say if all these, one of them were the best, it would probably be mint or peanut.
Yes. Yes. You need
Emmett,
to.
which one's the best? Which one's the best? I like mint or peanut.
I like almond or peanut.
Let's taste it. Let's
I
get
mean-
another.
Is that one your favorite?
Let's please get one. Mom,
I'd
I'd
rather have
the candy bar rather than the M&Ms.
I
because I like
want
the
same
chocolate
here.
more than
I
like the
love
crunchy outside.
these.
And I just like candy bars, so then this is a good
bar.
snack.
Yeah, plus M&M's. I love both.
It depends what
Let's
you want.
taste.
I mean,
If you want a candy bar
Taste them.
and not M&M's,
Get it.
if you just want a candy bar, if
I
you're
will.
hoping for a
Fine,
candy
okay.
bar, don't get this. It's kind of
This way?
like weird tasting it
But
if you
no,
want a candy bar.
I'm waiting for you.
it depends what you want.
What do you like, normal M&Ms or the candy bar?
Candy bar.
Why?
Depends what. Cause I'm trying to talk. It depends what you want. Like, if you're driving I'd go from m&ms.
I wouldn't.
If you're just planning, it depends what you want, okay?
Going camping,
Depends what
I
you
don't
want.
think these would be good on a s'more.
I think that they'd be ultimate on a s'more. They'd be awesome. And they'd be ooey gooey, M&M-y, delicious.
Well, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You need to taste more!
Okay.
Okay, we will.
Can we?
Tasted them.
Can we?
Now say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say bye.
One more like that. Bye-bye, thanks for having me.